Ibrahim, bless all. Bless the IPOB leadership, the IPOB HOD, Mazi Chike Dozemu, for without his wisdom for the past 2 years, we would have been here saying what we are saying. I think what he's trying to say, we wouldn't have been here saying what we are saying today. Hopefully, on the 15th, our client and leader will be released, and Ezigbo Chineke will rejoice exceedingly. From me, it is good evening and enjoy your Sunday celebration. By Ifeanyi Ejiofor, live on Radio Biafra, 10th of December 2023. But my concern here is, who is your client? Because what I'm seeing somewhere, and what people are saying, that you are no longer part of the legal team. I wonder why you are still here saying our client. And our client is between you and who? Is it our client you are talking about? Is a client between you and DOS or Chike Dozemu or the group of people that sold him out?